Hi everyone, it's Michelle. Thanks guys for stopping by and spending just a little bit of your time with me today. If you're new to my channel, a great big welcome. If you're returning, thank you. My channel is fashion and styling for mature ladies. Now I always say I leave that up to you to decide if that's over 50, over 55 or over 60. I'm over 60 and I still love fashion. The thing is these days, we don't want to be pigeonholed. We don't want the stereotype of what women should dress like when they become a certain age. So we're throwing all those stereotypes and all those rules out the window. We're having lots of fun and we're doing our own thing. For a very long time, you used to watch TV shows and you would see women and stylists interviewed suggesting what you should do when you hit a certain age, whether it be 40 or 50 or 60, what you should do. Well, you should all cut your hair. That was one of the first things that we were supposed to do. Well, as you can see, I didn't listen. There was lots of other suggestions as well. We couldn't wear this and we couldn't wear that and we had to change to this and we had to change to that. Well, we decided that we're going to make up our own rules. So if that sounds like you and you still love fashion and you still like to present yourself the best you can at least some of the time, because let's face it, who wants to do it every single day? If you like to have fun with fashion and styling and occasionally change it up, experiment, try new things, join our tribe, jump on board, hit the subscribe button, the red one down below, become a member of our tribe and give me a thumbs up for a like, because I really do adore a thumbs up for a like. There's a bell there also, a little bell icon that'll let you know when these videos of mine come out. Today we're going on a holiday. I wish. I couldn't if I wanted to. We're in the winter, the end of winter in the Southern Hemisphere. I've been seeing so many videos and so many posts on Instagram of ladies going on a holiday to somewhere resort style. Somewhere there's a beach and swimming pools. And I thought that looks pretty good to me. I can't even go 5 kilometers from my house right now. We're not doing so well in my state. The last few times that I went on a holiday, I went to the city. I have city holidays because I live in a resort town. I live at the beach. Incredible, beautiful beaches. Some of you would have seen my videos about the town and the area where I live. And there's no doubt, it's just stunning. In years gone by, I definitely went on holidays where I went to the beach and where there were lots of swimming pools. I've been on plenty of holidays where I've had to pack for a very casual holiday, say a 7-day, 10-day holiday where there's going to be a lot of water and sunshine and relaxing and dressing in a very casual style. Watching plenty of videos where ladies were going to beach resorts or places where they were lazing around swimming pools, drinking cocktails. I thought, what would I actually pack for a short holiday to somewhere like that without doing any shopping first, just by using what was in my wardrobe? If somebody said you've got to pack in a few hours and be out the door, what would I pack? I thought I'll go out on my deck. There's a little bit of sun out there today. I think there's just enough sun to give you the feeling and the ambience that I'm somewhere special. I don't have a lovely swimming pool in my yard. I did have that option to have that when I had my house built. I had had a place with a swimming pool in the past, and I discovered that I'm hopelessly bad at taking care of swimming pools, and they do need a lot of maintenance. I knew I was never going to be good at that. It just wasn't my thing. I never put a pool in because I thought, on top of paying someone to come and mow my lawns and take care of my gardens, which are pretty big, and I don't own a ride-on and I don't want to own a ride-on, I'd have to pay a pool guy. I'd have to pay a pool guy as well. Yeah. The first items I'll show you is a couple of pairs of swimwear. I wear what we call, or I call, what we call them, tanktinis. What's a tanktini? A tanktini isn't a one piece, although I do own one piece, and it's not a bikini. It's a tank top with a separate bottom, so you can mix and match. I love tanktinis, and one of the reasons I love them is I'm a different size up the top to what I am down the bottom, and a lot of women are. Being pear-shaped, I'm smaller at the top and bigger at the bottom. Sometimes, not always, sometimes I have to buy separate sizes, and that's one reason I absolutely love them. But they also, as I said, allow me to mix and match my colors. I only like to wear block colors or solid colors on the bottom because I'm heavier on the bottom. And I tend to buy a print or a stripe or something like that for the top because that's where I can get away with having something more busy and a pattern at the top. I would definitely pack my Faithful white voile cotton shirt. This is my Faithful beach go-to cover up. It's buttoned down the front, and the perfect thing about this is if I come off the beach, all I have to do is do the buttons up and it's like a shirt dress. It's absolutely perfect. I paid about $30 from Target for this, and I've had so much wear out of one of the things in my wardrobe I've worn the most. Can't live without it virtually. So this is a Tantini. You can see here's the bikini bottom. It doesn't come up too high, and it's got a little fold over on it. I just put the top over the top of that, and there you have it. But that's what a Tantini looks like. I'm sure you've seen them. There you have it. There's my Tantini. I tend to pull mine. You can pull it up if you want to. Just tuck it over like that if you want to, or just wear it loosely over the top of the bottoms. I could have chosen to do this down at the beach, but it always gets so windy down there, and people think I'm really strange talking to myself as well. I'm feeling really vulnerable like this. I saw Barbara Jean recently in her video where she was buying some one piece at Target. Oh, she's got such an incredible body. I really don't blame her for being so confident because she really looks amazing. She's only I think she's a year or two younger than me. But if Barbara's confident enough, and she had no qualms about showing her body at over 60 in her swimwear, I thought, well, maybe I should feel so confident as well, despite the fact that I've got imperfections. For those of you that don't know, Barbara Jean's channel is called Age is Just a Number. It's funny, I just assume everybody knows Barbara Jean from Age is Just a Number, but of course not everyone does. I hope you all find out who she is. If you don't, check out her channel. I dropped these glasses recently and accidentally sat on them and made them all crooked. Are they crooked? Oh, it's such a shame. They're prescription glasses. Coach glasses, prescription, and they were some of my favorites for wearing to the beach, and now they're all buckled. I sat on them in my car. They fell down. I couldn't find them, but you're sitting on them, you goose. So this beach cover up that I'm wearing, I own two of these. I bought them online. They're cotton voile once again. I really do like wearing cotton to the beach. Sorry if my glasses are crooked, I can't see myself. My glasses are crooked, I can't see myself. Yeah, and this is what they look like. They've got tassels on them. I'm not really mad about some of the prints in them. They didn't have really, well, the prints are good enough. They're a little bit boho. They've got paisley and florals, and they're so soft, so light, and they do a great job of covering up. But they're like this, they go on like this, just like a robe. They don't have any buttons or ties in the front. I suppose you could put your own tie in the front if you really wanted to. You could buy some ribbon or something. So yeah, they're just great. And I paid well under $20 for these. I think they're about $15, $16. Don't go to the beach without one. Now they're really versatile. They can roll up really small if you put in your beach bag because they're quite light. The lighting out there is just too dark. It really does look like it's going to rain. So I would definitely take a maxi like this. This is stretch jersey cotton. It couldn't be more comfortable. I would definitely take a couple of maxis, and I'd have fun with color. I would probably avoid all black, or maybe just take one black dress, but yeah, I would have fun with color. I would take at least one, if not two, across the body bags like this. I just find them so handy other than dragging a big bag around, and they're great when you just want to go to one spot and you just want your card in there and your phone and your lippy. They're just great for that. So I'd probably take two, a casual one and a dressy one perhaps. Depending on where I was going, I probably wouldn't take a pair of high heels. I'd take my gold Birkenstocks, those ones. I might take a simple pair of slides like this, just rattan slides for really super cash getting around a pool. If I didn't take my Havaianas, which I probably would take my flip-flops, my Havaianas. Other than taking a high heel, I might just take a pair of slightly dressy sandals. These have got a tiny little wedge on them and diamantes, so I might just take a pair of dressy sandals. If I did take a heel along, it would only be a small heel like this, and something simple and versatile that would go back with quite a few of the outfits. I would definitely pack a pair of palazzo trousers. These ones were a soft crinkle cotton. I would also pack at least one tee, perhaps 2 tees and a tank, or 2 tanks and a tee. What do you think of my new Marilyn printed tee? Isn't it gorgeous? I'm a Marilyn fan, a big Marilyn fan, but I love this tee. Being white with the black print, it's going to go back with a lot in my wardrobe. I can wear this with a lot. So I might take Marilyn with me on my holiday. Instead of packing a little evening dress or an LBD, I'd probably pack a jumpsuit. A summery, casual, but elegant enough jumpsuit. A pretty jumpsuit like this would be perfect for a dinner. It's perfect for a lunch. It's just perfect without getting too dressed up. Hey gorgeous people, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day everybody. Bye bye now, and hope to see you again soon.